Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with your business updates for today. Access to financing for Jamaica's micro, small and medium-sized enterprises came under scrutiny during a meeting of the Standing Finance Committee, where opposition spokesman on industry and investment, Anthony Hilton, raised concerns about the ability of small businesses to access grant funding. Hilton questioned the Minister of Industry and Investment, Aubin Hill, about why, in many cases, MSMEs are unable to benefit from grants even when those funds exist. He argued that the challenge is often linked to the formalization of businesses, noting that small enterprises struggle to meet the requirements needed to qualify for grant support and sometimes find the process and requirements attached to those programs difficult to navigate.
The DBJ does have grant, and sometimes they issue the grant. Sometimes they might actually, I'm not sure, they might ask AFIs to do it. But there is, when you get grant money from an international financial institution, they expect you to be transparent and accountable.
When pressed further by Hilton for a possible solution, Hill pointed out the role of the Development Bank of Jamaica.
The DBJ runs a lending organization. It is not a granting organization, and therefore has to follow particular procedures. And that's one of the reasons why we in the ministry are working so hard to get so many MSMEs to become formalized through the Companies Office of Jamaica and elsewhere. But you cannot have a lending organization that just distribute money because people hear there's a grant. So the process has to go through. This is not...
Minister, you're not educated.
Let me finish, if you will.
No, but you're not answering my
the,
question.
The issue, the DBJ is not in my ministry. I will work with them to find a solution, but I can answer that broadly.
You're not aware of the problem. You're not aware of that problem.
The
ministry is not aware of that problem.
I've answered the question. I said we're working with the MSMEs to make them more formal so it becomes easy for them to get the grants and the loans. That's what we do.
Hill added that while funding opportunities exist, building an enabling environment for MSMEs goes beyond making money available, as many businesses still face challenges in meeting the conditions needed to access those resources. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.